Crunchy egg and cheese toastie. Delicious breakfast. Let's start by marking 4 slices of bread with a glass. I'll put a tablespoon of mayonnaise on each slice. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, keep interacting with this video. That way you won't miss any of our recipes. Add slices of mozzarella cheese. Slices of ham. I'll put an egg on one of the toasts. Grated mozzarella cheese to taste. Salt to taste. I'll poke the egg with a toothpick so that the seasoning sticks to it. On the other toast, I'll add a crushed clove of garlic. Add an egg too. A teaspoon of honey. Take the opportunity to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Grated mozzarella cheese to taste. I'll brush both pieces of toast with melted butter so that they're golden brown. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of the video, so I know how much you liked it. Now I'll bake them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. I've added a little parsley to finish. And our breakfast is ready. Delicious and quick. This recipe will surprise your family with how delicious it is. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!